All right, what's up, everyone? Jeremy Lieber here, founder of Uncommon Education Trading. Today, I'm going to be going over hotkeys on ThinkorSwim and how to utilize them in your daily trading to make your entries, exits, switching between tabs even faster. Okay. So as you can see here, here's my setup. If you want this exact setup, any of our course material at Uncommon Education Trading, you can have the link to this exact setup, which is pretty awesome. But let's go ahead and get into hotkeys. So first, in the top right of ThinkorSwim, you're going to want to go to Setup and then Application Settings. Okay, once you're in Application Settings, this little drop box opens up and you're going to want to go over to Hotkeys. So as you can see here, you have a list of hotkeys that you can use without your mouse to enter trades, switch between screens. So the first thing you want to do is this general should be enabled, and then you're going to want to make the active trader enabled as well. Okay. So once you've done that, go ahead and click apply. And now we can take a look and see what those hotkeys actually do. So if you hit the control key, you can see all these little numbers pop up. Okay. So the control key allows you to navigate through these quickly. So if I wanted to go over and check monitor, I'd hit control and you can see 1 and it will take me to monitor. If I want to go over to the trade tab, that's 2. If I want to go over to the scanner, that's 4. If I want to go over to charts, that's 6. Okay, so the control key and then the coinciding numbers will pop up, and that's how you can utilize that. Now for the active trader, you want to hit Alt. Okay, the Alt key, it'll still pull up these. So if again you wanted to go over to the flex grid, you'd go to 2. If you want to go to product depth 3, chart 1. And then here you can also see on the active trader. Okay, there's a handful of things that here as far as zooming in, zooming out goes. Now, when you go to setup, and again, in the application settings under hotkeys, we can see that the buy market and sell market are Alt B and Alt S. So let's go ahead and try to enter a position. Let's make sure our quantity is good. Let's load up some puts. So let's go control over to trade. That's 2. And let's go ahead and load up these puts right here into our active trader. This is on SPY. You can see them here. And then let's go ahead and do Alt. And then I'm going to hit B for buy market on these puts. Okay, let's see what happens. Okay, so we are in the trade. You can see it just entered the trade there. Nice thing is, again, didn't have to do anything other than Alt B. Now to get out of the trade, it's going to be Alt S to sell market. So let's go ahead and wait here for a second, see how things go. Again, I had it pulled up on both, which is why you saw it enter this position, but both these were loaded up with that contract. But again, it coincided with the first active trader over here linked with red 1, because again, you can tell the net position is 1, net position here is 5, so it would have entered 5 if it was on this one. Okay, so we're in the trade. Again, you can see I was in one position just for example's sake here entering. So now let's say it's going up and we want to sell. Okay, so all I'm going to do is Alt S and it's going to sell market and get me out of the trade. Okay, so the cool thing about that, and again, if we go up to the monitor tab with Control 1, you can see it gives you the exact trade that was taken. We're good to go there, right? Just made $2. So again, just a cool way to kind of navigate ThinkorSwim without having to click buttons. Again, makes it a little bit quicker as far as entries and exits go. So hopefully these hotkeys help you in your trading journey and in your ability to enter and exit trades quicker. If you want to learn more about the strategies we actually teach here at UET, if you want to learn how to set up your account and your ThinkorSwim platform to look like mine, or if you just want to be around a community of people who are all about the abundant mentality, winning together, and kind of going against the grain as far as we want freedom. We don't care too much about rising the ranks in the corporate America. We don't care too much about, loading up our 401k and retiring when we're 65. If you want to live life now and have the freedom to do so with an incredible skill set where you can literally do it anywhere in the world, then follow us on our socials, like and subscribe here to our YouTube channel. Head over to our Instagram page, Uncommon Education Trading. We have lots of different offerings and ways for you to get started as a day trader. And I look forward to helping you on your trading journey there. So again, thanks so much for watching. If you have other questions, hit me up on our socials and let's trade smart together.